Hello everyone, my name is Gopichan. I am from Bhumi Support. In this video, we're gonna discuss if you are unable to connect to the ActiveMQ Artemis server using JMS V2 connector. So the complete error message should look like this. Uh, Failed create the session factor caused by failed to create section factor and cannot connect to the servers tried with all available server. In order to resolve this issue, please ensure that port used by the active MQ Artemis server is not blocked between your Boomi runtime and the Artemis server. So in this example, I'm using 61616 port. In your case, it should be a different port. Make sure that port is not blocked between the Boomi's runtime uh, and the Artemis server in order to have a successful connection to your active MQ Artemis server. Thank you.